Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to delve into the world of home decor and explore the soothing and serene combination of brown and beige. If you are looking to transform your living spaces into tranquil oases, this is the video for you. Let's get started. When it comes to achieving a calm and cozy atmosphere, embracing earthly tones is the key. Brown and beige are warm colors that evoke a sense of comfort and harmony. Consider starting with your walls and opt for muted shades of brown or creamy beiges. These natural tones act as canvas for the rest of your decor. To enhance the tranquil ambience, incorporate natural materials into your home. Wooden furniture, wicker baskets, and jute rugs not only add texture but also bringing outdoors inside, creating a seamless connection with nature. Emphasize simplicity and let these materials shine in the raw beauty. One of the easiest way to introduce the brown and beige theme is through soft furnishings. Layering plush throw pillows in a beige and brown tone on your couch or bed instantly adds comfort and style. Opt for fabrics like linen and cotton for their natural feel. Artwork can significantly contribute to the calming atmosphere of your home. Choose painting or prints that feature natural landscape, abstract art with gentle hues, or minimalist designs. These pictures of art will complement your brown and beige theme and promote a sense of serenity. Nothing enlivens a space quite like greenery. Introduce houseplant into your decor to create a fresh and calming environment. Potted plants and succulents or even a small indoor garden will bring life and a touch of vitality to your brown and beige oasis. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood. Opt for soft, warm toned lights to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Consider using candles or strings to add a touch of magical charm to your home, especially during the evenings. Now, let's explore some additional ideas and elements to create a calming brown and beige home decor. Enhance the coziness and comfort of your space by adding soft area rugs and wall to wall carpets in brown and beige shades. These not only add warmth to your home but also provide a soft landing for your feet, creating a more inviting and comforting environment. Don't forget about transitional spaces like hallways and entryways. Extend calming theme throughout your home by incorporating beige and brown elements in these areas as well. Consider adding a decorative bench with plush cushions or a wall mounted shelf with welcoming decor to prevent the brown and beige palette from feeling too heavy. Balance it out with touches of white. White accents such as curtains, throw pillows, or decorative items can add a sense of airiness and lightness to your decor, creating a well balanced and soothing look. When it comes to window treatments, consider layering sheer curtains with heavier drapes in beige or brown tones. This allows you to control the amount of natural light while maintaining privacy. Additionally, the layered effect adds an elegant touch to your window. Select the wall art that complement the brown and beige scheme while also adding interest to your walls. Abstract art with gentle hues and botanical prints or nature inspired photographs can harmonize with your decor, contributing to the overall calming ambience. Create a cozy reading nook by positioning a comfortable armchair or a chair lounge near a window with a great view. Add a floor lamp or a pendant light to create an inviting reading spaces where you can unwind with your favorite book or a cup of tea. Extend the calming theme to your dining area by using beige and brown tableware. Opt for earth tone plates, bowls, and serving dishes. A well set table in these calming colors can enhance mealtime experiences and create a tranquil dining atmosphere. If you love art and photography, consider creating a gallery wall featuring frames in the various shades of brown and beige. Display family photos, inspirational quotes, and artwork to add a personal touch while maintaining a serene theme. Transform your bathroom into a spa like retreat by incorporating the brown and beige color palette. adds soft fluffy towels, a beige shower curtain, and a wooden accessories evoke a sense of relaxation and luxury. And there you have it. Remember, it's all about creating a space where you can unwind and recharge. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our